In this lesson, we will learn how to cast on stitches using one needle. This method creates a fairly thin edge in the knitted fabric. It is perfect for lace patterns. How is this done? We take the yarn and position it in the palm of our left hand as follows. We drape it over the palm, from bottom to top. The yarn goes behind the fingers, like this, the end of the yarn. Closer to us here, we also secure it with the thumb on top. After that, we take one needle and insert it under the yarn on the index finger. We rotate the needle clockwise once, we bring the needle in, to the right, so that the yarn goes between the index and middle fingers. We catch the yarn from the index finger towards ourselves with the needle. We remove the index finger and tighten. We have 2 stitches on the needle. The end of the yarn can be left, we no longer need it. We drape the working yarn over the index finger away from ourselves, like this. We bring the needle to the right. The yarn should go between the index and middle fingers. We catch the yarn from the index finger with the needle. We do this towards ourselves like this, with the needle. We remove the index finger. We tighten. Again, we drape the yarn over the index finger. We do this in the direction of the yarn away from ourselves. We bring the needle to the right. We catch the yarn from the index finger. The needle is positioned towards us. We remove the finger, we tighten. Again, we drape the yarn. We catch the yarn from the index finger, we tighten. We drape the yarn over the index finger. We bring the needle to the right. We bend the index finger. We insert the hook into the loop on the index finger, the needle towards us. We pull out the finger and continue to cast on in this way. This is the cast-on edge we get. After this, we will turn the knitting and simply start knitting the main pattern we need. This method is not always used, not often. But I think you will find a use for it somewhere. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and we will meet you in the next lesson. Bye bye.